paper off.
Use those muscles. You know you got lots of them. Go. Get it. Yeah, you got it. Woo-hoo.
Whoa, what is that, Cohen?
Let's see this little thing.
Yes, I don't know.
It's a bicycle. Get it, Cohen, get it.
Yeah.
You got it. You got it. Look at you.
Wow.
What's
So
that?
daddy, I want to see it.
Try it.
Okay.
Okay.
So that's the brake. Makes it stop. The brake makes it stop on the hand. So you let go
Whoa.
of it to go
You
fast.
sit on the seat? Right behind you.
Go, baby, go.
So we need to do it?
Go, baby, go. Look at him go. Woo! Wait until he knows that he can glide.
Whoa!
Look at you. Can you sit on it? You sit on it right here? Like that? Yeah.
Can you go?
Whoa.
Whoa!
Here he comes. Here he comes. Go, baby, go. Go, go baby, go.
Ow!
Woo! Right by Grandpa. Go,
Whoa.
baby, go.
Gotta turn it. You're learning.
Get
Wow!
you. I'm gonna get you.
Wow! Watch out!
Get you. Gonna get you, Cohen. Gonna get you. I'm coming. Gonna get you. Give it a turn.
Cohen,
Turn,
you're-
turn, turn. Up. Go get Daddy.
Yeah.
Oh shoot, I'm done.
Look at you. You're going already fast.
Yeah.
That's so cool. It looks like a motorcycle and it's a bicycle.
Mm-hmm.
Are you gonna keep going?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
That's really cool. That's really cool.
That
Cool
is really
bike.
cool.
That is really
That's
cool.
really cool motorcycle.
Yeah, it's a
Yeah.
really cool motorcycle. Bicycle, huh?
Uh-huh. Yeah. And
Whoa.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa.
There you go.
See.
Ready? Go.
There you go. Okay.
There you go. Okay, run. Run. Gonna get you in there. Gonna get you.
Probably better if you.
Oh, there he
go
goes.
straight.
He's got it. He's got it.
It's, he has to look too.
Job. It's almost like it could be taller.
Wow.
It's really the right size now.
Woohoo! Oh, look at you! You're so fast already.
Yeah! Woo! Going to the bridge? Okay. Woo! Whoop. Good job, honey. Look at you go.
Whoa. Come on.
Very sophisticated.
What? Look at you! Oh, did you put the brake on already?
Can I have this ball?
Stop! Put the
That's
brake.
a bicycle brake. Right? When you
Just like
pull
a
on it, it
motorcycle.
stops.
It stops the wheels, huh?
When you let it go, then you can go.
Oh.
Right? See, when you're pulling on it, it goes slower.
Go, baby, go.
Look at you! So cute.
I can just see him with
Yeah.
his feet up in the air and just gliding on the strand at the beach.
Where is he? There he is.
Is it time for Daddy? Should Daddy and Cohen go to the beach and go ride bikes?
Yeah, we're gonna go
to the
tomorrow.
bridge? Woo!